how to replace an axle of an Audi. So you need one of these, 19, and then this one. And then the first you're gonna do is here. And you can get help by this. So they give you enough leverage. It was the other side. Well, this is one way. Sometimes take heat and WD-30. This one was so easy. Look at that. So nice. Very easy. And then we have to go for the, oh look at that. We have to go for this one. You just go like this. You just get off, you see. Now this one. There are 6, so. This one. 3 more left. So 3 more. This so small one, you gotta go this way, like this. You see this one? So very careful to don't fuck it up the T. So you see that, and then you can take this off and you just go to the side. So you just go to the side, push in, and then take this off. And then now the inner, you have like metallic, sometimes you get stuck a little bit. So when a pry bar, you get in this position like this, and then push it, and that's how it comes out. Sometimes you get a little stuck, so this one was really bad. Sounds too much. Oh well. I don't know which one is done, so that's it. We're just gonna wait for the new part coming today, 5 p.m. So this one is like flying over, have a little space, so you put the pry bar here and then pull it out. That's it. Very easy.